Welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today we are taking a closer look at the all-new Sony Xperia X8, a smartphone that combines Sony's premium design philosophy with powerful next-generation features. Right from the moment you open the box, this device gives a flagship-level feel. The minimalist black Xperia packaging, the vibrant red color option, and Sony's signature sleek design instantly make this phone stand out from the crowd. If you're a fan of stylish smartphones with a professional touch, this device is definitely going to grab your attention. The Sony Xperia X8 features a modern flat-edge body with a clean matte finish that feels premium in the hand. Sony has continued its iconic Xperia look while making the phone even more futuristic for 2027. The slim bezels and lightweight design make it comfortable for everyday use, gaming, streaming, and photography. This smartphone is designed for users who want elegance and performance together in one device. On the front, the Xperia X8 is expected to feature a stunning OLED display with ultra-vivid colors and deep contrast levels. Watching movies, YouTube videos, or playing games on this display feels incredibly immersive. Sony's experience in entertainment technology really shines here. The display also supports a high refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel super smooth and responsive. Now let's talk about performance. The Xperia X8 is powered by a next-generation processor designed for speed, multitasking, and gaming efficiency. Apps open quickly, gameplay feels smooth, and switching between tasks is effortless. Whether you're editing videos, using social media, or playing high-end mobile games, this smartphone handles everything with ease. Combined with optimized software and clean Xperia UI, the overall experience feels fast and premium. One of the biggest highlights of this device is the camera setup. Sony smartphones are known for their camera technology, and the Xperia X8 continues that legacy. The triple camera system on the back is designed to capture detailed photos with natural colors and sharpness. Daylight shots look crisp and vibrant, while low-light photography is also expected to improve significantly. Video recording is another strong point, with cinematic stabilization and professional style. Color tuning inspired by Sony's alpha camera technology. Battery life is another area where this phone shines. The Xperia X8 is expected to feature a large battery with fast charging support, helping users stay connected throughout the day. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, the battery performance should easily handle heavy usage without constant charging stress. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming smartphone reviews, leaks, and futuristic tech content right here on Upcoming Smartphones Hub.